Hey everyone, this is Jeff, a Computer Geek, and today we'll be taking a look at the Apple wired keyboard with the number pad on the side. For one of my gifts during Christmas this year, I asked for an Apple keyboard, a wired one with the number pad on the side, and I received it yesterday on Christmas, and I've been using it ever since, and I've been very, very happy with this keyboard, and I absolutely love it, and I honestly think this is the best keyboard ever. And I'm not just saying that because I've been wanting it and because of how it looks. I really think it's one of the best. It's really nice. Okay, so as you can tell, the box got kind of damaged when I opened it a bit over here. And I've already unboxed it. So, we're just going to be taking a look at the box right here. So, basically you just see the keyboard on the side, and that right there is a USB port right there. Then on the side, you have picture of the keyboard, words that aren't important, the model number, designed by Apple in California, made in China, and all that crap. Alright, so open the box, and it's just plain white, and all that was in here was the keyboard. Then under the keyboard, it had the USB port for it, and it came with a USB extension cord. So, because if your computer is farther away from the keyboard, which I don't know why they just made, I just think they should have made the original cord longer. I don't know why they made an extension cord. It kind of, it's kind of confusing and stupid to me. Then you just have this booklet of the keyboard. I never opened it, never looked at it. Okay, now let's go take a look at the keyboard. And here she is, the wonderful keyboard that I absolutely love. I absolutely love this keyboard. All the keys are in the right position for me, and it's just really nice. And I actually do type a little bit faster on this nice little keyboard. Now let's see how thin this thing is. Just look at that thinness. Look at look how thin that is. It's awesome, and I love this keyboard. And it's probably the sexiest keyboard I've ever seen. It's kind of small. Well, not really. People complain about this keyboard, saying how small it is, but it's just big. It's big enough for me. All the keys are in the right places. They're all they're not like all together like on netbooks. The keys are too small and they're smushed together. So on the side you have a USB port right there, which is really handy. I love that. It comes in very handy. And then you have another one on this side. As you can see, I have something plugged into it. Now the keyboard. Yes, I do type faster. And this keyboard is really nice. Definitely worth the price. Got it at Best Buy for $50. You can probably get it at your local Best Buy too, since they sell Mac stuff. And I'm using this in Windows 7 currently, and everything worked out of the box as expected. I was a little skeptic if this was going to work in Windows 7, because some people were saying, oh, it doesn't work. Then some people were saying it works great, and it works really good. So, for me, it worked out of the box. I plugged it in, and that's it. Now, for the F13 through F19 keys, they didn't have any command. They didn't have any use. So, I used a program called, let me check into my computer. I use a program called Apple Keys 2, and I can use F13 as this print screen button, and I don't know what the other ones are, but they have a use now. Again, everything worked out of the box as expected. The command key is the Windows key. I just press it again. It's the Windows key, so don't worry about that. Every key is working. I have not tried this in Linux yet, but I'm pretty sure this does work in Linux. Alright, the review of this, I've give this 5 out of 5 stars. Wait, no, 9 out of 10 stars, sorry. 9 out of 10 stars. The only complaint I have is that the keys are too small on my fingers. No, dang it. They're not small. They're too hard, actually. I type pretty hard with my hands. I type fast. And when I type a lot on this keyboard, my hands get tired after a while, after hitting the hard keys. Now that's my only complaint. And this keyboard is really awesome. You can, of course, like I just said, you can pick this up at your local Best Buy. And I don't know what other stores carry this, but you can also get this at the Apple store. Now, Apple used to make a wired one without the number pad, which I love having a number pad on the side. It's very useful because I only use the numbers over here and I don't use the ones on top. It's very handy having them over here. I always use them over there, so that's not an issue for me. And yeah, this keyboard is fantastic. Just plug it in and it works. As for Mac, as you can tell, the F keys have pictures on them, which of course they work in the Mac, but not in Windows. Like for the picture, that won't do brightness at all. And for the play and pause, that doesn't do play and pause in Windows. It just does what your old keyboard did in Windows. So that's not an issue for me since I don't really use shortcuts, to be honest. I don't find them useful since I don't really need them. So that was a review of the Apple wired keyboard with the number pad on the side. Please follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Jeff the PC Geek. Please subscribe, and you can visit my tech blog. I blog there a lot. JeffTheComputerGeek.com. Yes, we finally got a .com domain now. Thanks to Ryan, my friend Ryan, if I haven't said that already, but just thanking him again. Got it for me for a Christmas present, which I'm really happy about. And I'm just really happy that he got me that. It was very nice of him to do that. And you can email me anytime at computergeek50000@gmail.com. And I'll see you guys later.